Hello everyone, this is Brian from Ward Taz on YouTube. I'm going to do a little video about the snow. It's beautiful. It's like awesome. We're going to have snow for the next 3 days. And this little car right here will be covered. My little Monte Carlo SS. I love that car. This is my truck. A little Z71 off-road truck. There is my PT excuse me, my PT Cruiser. It's got a flat right there. I live up on a hill. This is my home. I can see the traffic. It's one long ass huge home. Got a big deck right here. I'm high up. I'm the king. I don't know if you could see it or not. On my other channel, Brian Taz 1, I jumped into a swimming pool wearing a pig mask. And there, straight ahead, is the pool that I jumped in. A other little building. There's the heat pump. There's my dad covered in the back porch so wind wouldn't blow in on him when he comes. They say that them woods are haunted. Up in those woods is the Briar Witch.